2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Rick Astley. Never Gonna Give You Up. And yeah, so we're in standard tuning. If you want to play along with him and the record, you got to put the capo on first fret, okay? And play the same chords. All right, let's get to it. We got F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major. That's the verses. That's the only thing we need for the verses. And for the chorus, we got same, starts with the same 2 chords. We got to switch faster though. F, G, E minor. 1, 2. To A minor. 1, 2, 3. 2, 2. 2, 2. F, G. That's it, guys. It's probably the shortest lesson I ever done. So yeah, let's go over everything one more time before we call it. F major 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to play F major 7 like this. Sounds good with the A string at the bottom. G major, that's the verses. And then chorus, you just gotta switch faster. F, G, E minor, 1, 2, to A minor. 1, 2, 3. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool stuff. Be safe and take it easy.